Hey, Story. You ready to eat your first bowl of cereal? What you, Mama?
Yeah.
See how this goes. Oh.
Well?
Not so good. Oh no?
You don't like it.
That's just nasty. Doesn't taste anything like my formula. Open your mouth, sugar. Here. Just gotta kind of.
You're not digging this?
Oh, what's that face all about? You got it all over you.
Wanna try a few more? Story, what's the matter with it?
It needs more sugar. More sugar.
Okay, I don't think you've swallowed any of it.
Yeah, I don't think this is working so good.
Okay, we'll try one more spoon.
No.
Story,
We're just not gonna do this yet.
You're not ready to eat cereals?
Say, Mama, quit. I don't want it. Well, that was a good shot, Story. Maybe next time will be better.